Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am doing a collab hosted by Ayla Avar along with Tina's Reborns and More. And we did last month on the 1st of April, April showers, and you can go back and see those. And today we're doing Mayflowers. Oh my dust, oh my. This little girl is wearing her Mayflowers outfit. Remember the old joke, April showers bring Mayflowers. What do Mayflowers bring? Pilgrims. So I dressed her in this in a flowered fabric. I actually did this for a May 1st collab years ago with Tammy Powley. Thank you for watching. Please go by and be sure to see Tina's and Ayla's videos today. This was a lot of fun, Ayla. Thank you for asking. Please leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and Darren and I are live on Thursday nights at 6 p.m. Central. We sure hope you'll join us.